So building and managing an RV rental business, it can be challenging to say the least, especially when you're, just starting out. And, anything from, creating appealing listing photos to troubleshooting RV repairs. And of course, dealing with the numerous questions you get from RV renters, especially when they're out on the road. So I found that using AI can really be helpful in creating more efficiency and skill in managing that process. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 useful ways that I use ChatGPT to help do just that, become more efficient and more skillful in managing an RV rental business. All right, so let's get started. So use case number 1 is creating listing photos. Listing photos can be very important in helping the vehicle stand out in a crowd. Usually when renters are looking on the platforms, there are multiple RVs being presented to them. Having a great appealing listing photo really can help set it apart. So the type of photos that are important are, lifestyle photos where the RV is parked somewhere that is, consistent with a camping atmosphere. Maybe people are using the RV, cooking out or fishing or doing something like that. But the challenge to attaining those kinds of photos, at least in the past prior to AI, was actually having to understand photography, lighting and angles, and also taking the RV to those places. So logistics, having to drive 2 hours or more to go to a beautiful, campsite in the mountains or, a beautiful lake, or even going to the beach. Could, depending on where you live, could be hours, could be days to get to somewhere like that. So it's helpful to be able to just on demand be able to create your own background. So the way you can use ChatGPT to kind of accomplish this, creating a beautiful backdrop, is you can do a free version of ChatGPT, which is limited to, I think, 3 images per day. Or you can do the paid version, which allows you to then create a custom GPT. A custom GPT, also known as a generative pre-trained transformer, which I have no idea what that means. But it's a specialized version of ChatGPT that allows you to tailor, for specific tasks. By training it, you can upload documents, owner's manuals, and give it specific instructions that it can carry out. Doing that, you can basically create a template that can be utilized over and over again. But the paid plan is not necessary to create, listing photos that are nice. You can just basically load ChatGPT with a prompt for a backdrop that you want, that you see, and then upload your photo of your vehicle. And from that point on, it will create a beautiful backdrop. And you can download that photo and then upload it into your listing. So to create a custom GPT, what you would do is come to your ChatGPT, log in, explore GPTs down here on the left-hand side. Then on the right-hand side, go up to the top and create GPT. Here you would configure the GPT, give it a name and description, and then the instructions for the GPT, and then a photo here if you want to upload a photo. And then also you could upload files. In this case, there's no files necessarily unless you had some that were specific to, let's say, for example, photographer style that you have, maybe a ebook or something like that, or a video file where you have a specific photographer, you like their style and the way they do it. You could upload that, and that will give specific instructions to the AI to create your listing photos or backgrounds in that style. You'd leave all this the same, and then press save, and you'd be ready to go. Now I'll show you one that I've already created. So I'll go to my GPTs here, and then photo listing creator, and I put my logo here. Named it RV Boss Listing Photo Creator, and then a description of what it does. And then here I put the instructions in. So this is a specific prompt that can be utilized repeatedly. So I just basically go in here, give it all the instructions I want for how the style should be and what it should look like. And then I also make sure that the RV doesn't get altered any. So I don't want to create any kind of bait and switch scenario. I want the RV to look exactly like it does in real life, the only change being the background. So you can put that as a specific instruction in here. And so I'll show you an example. So basically, if I use this one here, I'd put in a photo of one of my vehicles. Okay, this is my camper van. I'll put that in there and we'll say create a background at, let's say, a sunset overlooking the Pacific Ocean. All right, so there you go. So pretty cool. I mean, it can basically just, I mean, it looks pretty good to me. I mean, that looks, matter of fact, I might use that. But it looks realistic. And then you could add things like, let's say you have a family. Let's see, we'll describe some edits. A family or a couple, let's say, place a couple sitting at a table eating and enjoying the evening. So I mean, this is really a game changer to me. I mean, I would spend so much time with my wife trying to find, sunsets and places that were cool to park to get these exact photos. And, living on the East Coast, I'm not going to drive all the way to California just to get a photo of the Pacific Ocean. So there you go. So they got, that looks somewhat realistic, I would think. Yeah, it's perfect. So the next use case is writing copy for your profile and then the listing descriptions of the vehicle itself. Sometimes it's difficult to come up with creative and appealing ways to, really describe the vehicle and all its features and its functions. And so utilizing ChatGPT to come in there and really just based on the RV, you can upload a PDF or the owner's manual or a YouTube video or something like that, and then prompt it to, create a description and highlight some of the things of the vehicle. So it's a really easier way to do it than to try to sit here and think about all the, ways to write about it to really enhance the description of the vehicle. Number 3 would be troubleshooting for RV repair. There's so many times where I've come across, things that have broken, or I don't understand exactly what it is that's broken. I know something's not working, but I don't know exactly what it is. So you can utilize ChatGPT to you can do a custom GPT with specific instructions with manuals uploaded for that specific vehicle. That way it will help you identify things that could be wrong with that specific vehicle. You could also, and this is the cool part of it, is that you can upload a photo of whatever you're working on. It'll identify that and even give you some tips on how to fix it. Example, I was recently changing a disconnect battery disconnect switch on my RV, and I had no idea. I've never done it before, and so I took a picture of the part, or at least the compartment, and it identified which part was the disconnect switch, and then it also gave me some tips on wiring it properly, because I guess the person that had wired it initially maybe missed some things or didn't wire it correctly. So that was just an added benefit. I didn't even know it was wrong. Another use case is creating, QR codes. And I usually create QR codes so that, renters have an easy way to access information like videos and things like that as it relates to how to work appliances and different features of the RV. Or a video, if I have a file, a link, I can just ask it to create a QR code for this specific link. And then the final use case, and really one of my favorites, creating a custom GPT as an AI assistant for the renters. So I'll give you an example of how it works. So I have a QR code I have the custom GPT, and then you can create a link to the GPT, and you can share that here. So with this link, you can copy it and then create the QR code and associate that QR code with that link. And then once you have that link and paste that QR code in the RV, which I do, and then they click that QR code, it brings them to the custom GPT assistant. Then all they'll do, they can either write in a question, type in a question, or what I like to do is just use the voice mode. How do I turn on the furnace?
To turn on the furnace in your Solus 59PX, first make sure the propane LP valve is open and the LP wall switch is on. Then at the Truma control panel, press the rotary dial, select the camper van icon, that's the furnace mode, press the dial again and turn it to set your desired temperature. Press once more to confirm the furnace should start up and warm you up.
Perfect, thank you. So now you have the questions answered for them. They feel better. They don't have to call you, and they also get a text as well as far as the conversation and what they're talking about. So they can use that to reference going forward, or they can just dial it back up and call it again and ask a number of questions. So you can literally ask questions about anything that pertains to that vehicle and all those owners' manuals that are uploaded in the system. So those are my 5 ways that I use ChatGPT currently to really streamline my business and help me manage it and be as efficient as possible, and hopefully leading to profitability. So if you got some value out of this, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. I've got some other videos that could be helpful as well. And as always, thanks for supporting the channel. If you have any questions or any concerns, please leave those in the comment section below. I'd be happy to answer for you. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.